Have door hinges that need adjusting? Hey guys, I got sent over a door hinge wrench. It's supposed to be able to do hinge adjustments. I've never used one of these, so I'm not real sure what to expect, but we're going to find out if they really work, or at least if this one really works. So stick around. Comes in a nice carrying case, that's for sure. I've got a hard plastic case. See what we have here. Okay. And an instruction paper, which I'm going to need that because I've never done this. Really don't know what to expect. Place the wrench on the hinge, adjust toward left or right. Comes with a little handle. Guess this will screw onto the different adapters here. These are for different size of hinges. Got 4 of them in all and 2 smaller ones. I believe that's probably going to be the one I need. Let's find out. Okay, I couldn't get this onto this hinge. This hinge is on the inside. There's some boards right here, and you can't get that slid up in there. So you may want to check that out. Make sure these would even work on your hinges. But I do have a bathroom door that needs adjusting, so let's go try it out there. Now you're just going to screw the handle onto here. Like that. And this hinge is kind of all bent out of shape, old hinges. So it got a little bit bigger. You just slide it down like that. Then you can just bend it whichever way you need. If you need to go that way or that way. That may be enough. If you go a little bit too far, just bend it back just a hair. There we go. I believe this one, we need to come this way. Okay, got it where it's not hitting now. It was hitting right up here, but you can see it clears it now. Did a real good job. Got her straight. So if you need to straighten out some hinges on a door, you may check this tool out. Might get the job done for you. Also, you might want to have your little screwdriver with you. In my case, the screws were backed out a little bit also. So that's another reason why it's hitting, but we also got that hinge straight too. So worked great for me. Like I said, it would not work on my front door because the hinges are inset and you've got to be able to slide that over your hinge. For most hinges, this is just an old house. But for most hinges, this will probably work perfect. If you'd like to check this out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.